Make no mistake, the fight for justice continues.
The Alberta Teachers Association is heading to the courtroom. A legal and charter challenge was filed to the province of Alberta for the Back to School Act and using the Notwithstanding Clause.
What began as a dispute over class size and funding has become something far more serious. A question of whether this government believes in the rule of law or merely the rule of power.
Teachers Union President Jason Schilling calling the Back to Work law an abuse of power by the province.
Bill 2 is passed. Order!
Bill 2 passed in the legislature in the early morning hours last week in the legislature, all split on party lines. Bill 2 passed just 8 hours after its introduction. It not only forced teachers back to work, but imposed the deal teachers overwhelmingly rejected in September. The lawsuit calls on the Alberta Court of King's Bench to rule the use of the Notwithstanding Clause was improper and invalid, and the bill violates the charter right of association. The ATA also can't talk about future strike action or the idea of a general strike because of Bill 2.
My rights have been stripped away. It is actually illegal for me to do that under Bill 2. So let that sink in for a moment. I'm standing here in front of you, and I have less rights than you do.
Alberta's Justice Minister Mickey Amory releasing a statement saying the government will vigorously defend itself, saying we invoked the Notwithstanding Clause because students and parents deserve full certainty that children could return to the classroom and stay in the classroom. We remain focused on long-term stability in education, fair compensation for teachers, and protecting the best interests of students. Schilling says other organizations can apply to be interveners in a lawsuit likely to be costly.
What is the price of freedoms? What is the price of having your rights stripped away? And I think that is a priceless fight that our members are willing to take.
In Edmonton, James Dunn, City News.